Okay, this is what I got here. PC board, that's one, and here is two. All the connectors have been cleaned with contact cleaner and blown out really well. Anything questionable, check for continuity, everything's good. Commutators are clean, and we've got good contact on all those. The motor, I believe, is right down there, right below my finger, is my electronic governor, so to speak, and as far as I can tell, it's running okay. I've checked all the onboard fuses on PC1 here. There's one, and I was thinking there was one more, but maybe not. Next thing I'm going to do is check the big caps on it and see if I got anything there. I have no idea how to read LEDs. We got LEDs all over this thing for troubleshooting, but I got no material to tell me what they are doing. I'll start it up here. I just had it going, so I shouldn't need any choke here. It's on 18. Both of these are all the way counterclockwise. So back there, and voltage is all the way down. Not that it matters, that doesn't seem to affect anything. So go all the way down here. Cars up, runs great. Partially lit. Little bit of light down here on 18, and a little bit on 17 and 19. That's all I see on those. If I put the meter on it over here, set it to 200. Grab my probes. And now I've got an air compressor plugged in, but I'm not doing anything. Up here we're still locked on 1800, or generator lock 1800, and I'm running run idle 3018. Put these in right here and down below, getting 1.5 volts AC. Move it above, should be the same. Yeah, move it over to the left, the other receptacle over here, and it's showing 10.4. Okay? Put it back on this one. I won't even worry about that. Now, if you listen to the motor here, I switch this off. Nothing. Kick it up. Right there, the engine picks up. Higher RPM. If I go to the 1800 lock, it comes back down to the 1800. Tiny bit of surging there. I guess that has more just adjust the carburetor probably, but that would be my guess. All the breakers, none of the breakers are popped out on either receptacle. Main breaker,
switch it off, the engine picks up a little bit, so it's doing something. A little on, and it does pull it back down a tiny bit. And then the reset for the remote, that hasn't popped. And that's about what I know right now. All the electrolytics on this board checked out fine. All connectors again have been cleaned. I didn't see any fuses on this board here. Again, I don't see any lights. Well, no, I don't see anything that really looks like anything here. Maybe a tiny bit on LED 17 on the PC2. Otherwise, these lights up here, the main ones, that one, a little there, a little on those two. That's what I see. Just one more thing I wanted to add here. Following on the schematic here, well, you can see that, but you guys got your own schematics anyway. Here's across the coil here on the generator. These right here, across here. I'm set down below AC 200. Same thing over here, still locked to 1800 RPM. If I check across AB, right there's my 10.5 that I was seeing before. If I check across EF, oops, sorry. I check across EF here. There we go. There's the 12.5. And if I go from side to side on them, basically from there all the way down, one end to the other, 23.2. I have not checked these right here on the other side. Well, I guess I could, going up to the board. What are they? Pins 4 and 6. Okay, let's take a look here. On 26. 26 is right there. Well, that would be here. There's 4. On the other end, my 6. Okay, and that shows 1.6 volts. And the other one from 103 to 104, that is on connector 27, pins 1 and 2. Where are we at there? 24. 27. Oh, there is only 2 pins, so that makes that one easier. Okay, got those in, and 7.6 across that coil.
Okay, I replaced the cap. It is right here on the PC1 board. Probably shouldn't be sticking my finger on it now, but the C41, and just show you better what it did here. put this one in here. It's a 1200 microfarad 250 volt electrolytic. I didn't have a 300. I'll have to look around and get one. This is just temporary to see if it was going to work. The one that I took out was this big old beast here. I don't know if you can read here. There we go. 1200, 300 volt, blah blah blah. It's got a filler here, which, you know, that's something I've never tried to do, but I'm guessing it's dry was the issue. And so anyway, got this other cap in there. I tested it ESR and an ohmmeter, and it came out pretty good cap. I already tried this once and fired up. I'd had the compressor here plugged in to the 1800 RPM receptacle all day, and nothing. The most I ever saw was 16 volts on either of these receptacles, and readings up here never showed me anything relative to what I was doing, and now it does. So from what I can tell, fixed the problem here. I'll go ahead and fire it up here. I got same thing, hours 0, oil 100 it says. Guess I should read the manual and see what that all means. Fires right up. Voltage level 4.9. Now if I grab the meter here, set it to 200 AC, and I'm showing 121 volts now. I go compressor here, I'll just hit the relief so it'll drain out. There. Compressor fires up, running. Seems like it should be saying amperage. I'm looking at lights here. These are still lit. I've got more of them that are dimly lit now. Pretty much the only one that isn't is LED 7, 8, 10, 20. That's it. All the rest are lit. These are bright. Those are kind of halfway dimmer, but can't really tell on PC2 if they are or not, but seems to be a little surging. I might be running low on gas too. That's what it says. I'm on empty anyway. This doesn't seem to make a difference, probably because it's on lock. Now if I drop it down, nothing there. But again, I don't have any of my connectors here to know, so I can test the welder. I got to grab some and get some somewhere. I'll show all the fuses look good. Yep, that one looks good. So, shut this back off. I guess at the moment it looks like we're working, which I'm just tickled about. But I got to get some terminals, make sure that I can weld with it, and that it wasn't just that there's more than just the generator on it. Anyway, Once I try that, I'll give you an update.